Yeah, yeah, Bob, I made you host. You can share the screen now.
Hi guys.
Hi, sir.
Uh, okay guys, just see that in today's class, let us see that three comments. Anyway, like you know that tomorrow we are going to start. Tomorrow, later tomorrow we'll start Python. Okay, let us see that few comments here, like remaining comments. We'll see that remaining comments now. Let's see that. Yes, guys, just see that remaining comments here. Okay, already in the previous class we saw that DDL commands here. In today's class, we are going to discuss DML commands. DML commands here. Just see that insert. See that it has to manipulate the object here. It has to manipulate database object. See that. Why you should use DML? It has to manipulate database object here. It has to manipulate database object. It has to manipulate database object here. Manipulate database object. Database object. Database object. Here, see that now database objects here like table, synonyms, views, etc. Let us see that first command here, insert command. The second command, insert all. The third command here, see that insert command here, it has to communicate only one table. See that it has to communicate one table here. It has to communicate just one table, only one table here. Then it has to insert new record here. Then it has to insert new record into database. New record into database. That is called insert here. Insert all. It has to communicate more than one table here. It has to communicate more than one table. Just see that here. More than one table. Then it has to see that it has to insert multiple records here. It has to insert multiple records here. It has to insert multiple records. Multiple records here. Next one, update command. It has to update DB record here. It has to update database record. It has to update the given record from database. Given record from database. Database. Delete here. It has to delete the given record from database. It has to delete the given record from database here. It has to delete the given record. Record from database. The last one, guys. See that now. Insert or update and delete here. Merge command. See that now? Merge command here. In this command, we are going to we are going to see that it has to apply code operations here. It has to apply code operations. Code operations on the database. On the database. See that now it has to apply code operations here on the database here. See that now we are going to discuss DML commands. Then you should go here. DCL commands here. See that it has to see that data control language here. It has to controlling the users here. It has to controlling the unknown users here. Let us see that. Here there are two commands, grant and revoke here. Grant and revoke. The last one here, TCL commands. Here the grant means it has to give the permissions here. It has to give the permissions. It has to give the permissions.
What does DMS stand for?
Data control.
DML, sorry.
DMS, data manipulate language, manipulate here. Data manipulation language here. It has to manipulate objects here. Data manipulation language.
Okay, and DDL and yesterday's
DDL, data definition language.
data definition language. Okay.
Definition language here, data manipulate language. Then coming to DCL, data control language. We are going to controlling the unknown users, right? Unauthorization users, unknown users. We are going to controlling that. There are two commands, grant and revoke here. Grant means it has to give the permissions here. Here it has to remove the permissions here. It has to remove the permissions. Now TCL commands here. TCL transaction. It's a control language. Transaction control language. We are going to controlling the transactions here. Just commit command, rollback command, save point here. Save point. Just see that commit command here. Commit command here. See that. See that. It has to commit the records into cache memory. It has to commit the given records into cache memory. Cache memory. See that it has to commit the given records into cache memory. That is a commit command here. Rollback command. It has to perform undo operations here. Undo operations. Undo means reset operations here. Restoring operations. Undo operations. Okay, let us see that now, guys. It has to perform undo operations. Undo operations as well. It has to remove temporary records. Temporary records here. It has to remove temporary records. Temp memory records or temporary records. Save point. Just see that now, guys. What is the commit command here? Just to commit the given records into cache memory. It has to perform undo operations as well. It has to remove temp memory records here. Temp memory records, like temporary memory. Temp memory meant for temporary memory records here. Temp memory records here. Save point here. Just see that save point now. Okay, it has to commit it. It has to commit a particular record into cache memory. It has to commit a particular record. Into cache memory. Just see that now here. It has to commit a particular record or specific record into cache memory. You should go save point here. Then you should go directly Python here. You should go after these commands. You should go Python here. We'll see that how to install Python. What are the data types here? First of all, let us see that now these commands. Okay, guys, already in the previous class, we saw that DDL commands. Okay, DDL commands, see that. Already we saw that. Why you should use DML commands here? See that we are going to manipulating objects here. We are going to manipulate objects here. How to manipulate objects here? We should go DML commands. These are the DML commands. Insert command. We are going to inserting the record into table. We are going to inserting multiple records here. We are going to update the record from table. We are going to deleting the record from table. We are going to apply the merge operations here. See that such kind of operations is called manipulating. See that we are going to manipulating the table here. How to manipulating the table? Through these commands: insert command, insert all, update command, delete command, merge command, etc. Let us see that now, guys. Here, just first of all, we are going to discuss DML commands. Just see that insert command here. See the insert command, guys. We are going to insert in the records, right? Here there are different syntaxes. Let us see that now here. For insert command, see that now for insert command here, we have different syntaxes now. What is the first syntax now, guys? Insert command. See that now first syntax one. Syntax one, guys. Insert into our table name. What is the table name here? EMP or something. Let us see that now. What is the table name in the previous class? Guys, respond, guys. In the previous class, we saw the table, right?
Yeah,
What is the table name?
product, I think so.
Product. Yeah, product here. Product values. Directly we are giving static values here. Product ID, product name, Lux here, something. Price also here. 78 rupees here. Every command ends with a semicolon. This is the syntax one. Directly we are giving, see that. I given static values here. I given static values. Or directly. It's the first syntax here. Now second syntax now. Syntax 2 here. Insert into. See that second syntax now. Insert into here. Product. Here. Specify the column names here. PID. P name. Price. Then values. Then values. You can pass the values here. Product ID. Product name. Santur or something. Then 98 or 99 or something here. It's the second command. See that now. It's a syntax one. It's a syntax 2 here. For inserting the record. See that. How to insert the new record here? There are different syntaxes now. Just see that. It's a syntax 1. It's a syntax 2 here. Now syntax 3 here. We are going to give dynamic values. Input dynamic values here. Inside. How to give, see that dynamic values here. Dynamically, we are going to give input values. Let us see that. Product values. Ampersand. PID. It's a column name. Comma. P name is the P name. How to give the P name here? It's a string type here. Within the single quotes, P name. Then guys, comma, ampersand price. See that now you're going to get dynamic values here. If you write this command, we're going to get input values, just like dynamic values from database. See that now, how to insert new record into database. Syntax 1, just see that now. Syntax 2, just see that. Syntax 3, dynamic values. Just see that now, guys. Let us come back to our table. We'll see that. The first command and second command and the third command. We'll see that. Just come back to our table. Just go to search button. Just see that Oracle 10G database. It's our database, Oracle 10G database. It's a Oracle 10G database. Open it. Connect here. Connect here. Simple shortcut command. CONN. Otherwise, you can give the complete name here. Not an issue. Better we should go shortcut command. Username, then password. Directly, I given username and password here. Directly, just see that now, guys. I given username and password. Semicolon. Connected. Let me check the table now. Product table. Here, how many columns are there? Describe our table name, product here. Oh, product table does not exist. What is the table name? I think maybe PROD, right? A rename command. I was done rename command, right? In the previous class. Yes or no? Rename command. PROD. See the PROD. We are having PROD table, right? In the previous class, I was done rename command, right? Our table name PROD. Let me rename it now. Rename. PROD. Let me make it now. Product here. Done, guys. Now, the product table is existed. Let me check that now. Product here. Now, see that we are getting the table. Oh, there are 4 columns here. There are 4 columns, right? One column is missing, right? Date of birth here. So the date of deliverance, right? Price. Then date of deliverance. Date. Then Jan 2023. Let me add the date column also, guys. See that how to pass the date column. Here, second date here. Okay, done. Here also, date also. Date. DOD, date of deliverance, right? Date of deliverance here, something. Okay, just see that now, guys. Let me insert let me use that first command here. Copy this first command. Come back. Is there any record here? First of all, check the records here. Is there any records? In this table, let me check the records now. Is there any record in this table? See that now, select the star from. Select the star from here, product. Oh, there are 2 records now. There are 2 records here. Let me change the product name, guys. What is the product name here? Mysis handle. Here also, product name also here. Light by. Then here also, okay, done. Let me copy this now. Copy this. First command. See that now, guys. Copy this. Go to here. Keep it down. Enter. See that now. 1 row is created. Already we are having 2 rows here. See that. Just now I created 1 more. See that. Say 1 row is created. Let me see that now. Second syntax also here. Let me copy the second syntax also here. Here column name also. What is the column name, guys? Date of deliverance, right? DOD. Let me copy this now. This one also. Let me copy this. Here paste it now, guys. See that. I created 1 more. See that. I created 2 rows now. Just now I created 2 rows here. It's a syntax 1. It's a syntax 2 here. It's a syntax 1. It's a syntax 2, right? Let me come back now. Let us see the third syntax also here, guys. First of all, let me check that these work. Let me check that now. These records now. We should go select the star from table name, product here. Okay, we are getting that. See that now? We are getting Mysis handle, live by also here. See that now? Product name, ID also 2 here. Product ID 2, Mysis handle, then live by. Done, guys. We are getting date also here. January month 23. 1st of January 23 here. Date of deliverance. Just see that. Something here, some dates. I given some dates here. Just see that. Okay, guys. Let me Clean it now. This is our table, right? Here, how many records here? Just we have 4 records. We have 4 records, right? Just see that. Just come back here. The last command, you'll see that last command here. What about last command here? We are going to get dynamic values from Oracle database. We are going to get input values, right? See that we are going to get input values. Let me copy this command. Let me copy this command here. Just come back. Let me give that now, semicolon. See that now? It's asking that PID 104 or 105. Product name, something product name here. Rexona, something. Price also here, 105. Date of deliverance also. January 4th of January, Jan 2-3 here. 2-3. Just see that. What is wrong in that? Okay, guys. Here, how to give that? This one wrong, right? Here, see that here also single quotes. Single quote here. Let me add the single quote now. Just see that. Add the single quote. Let me check that. Let me copy this. Clean it now. This is our table. These are the table records. Let me do the same record now. It's asking PID 105. Rexona. Price also 105. Date of deliverance. Let me give the date of deliverance here. 4th of January or 5th of January. 5th of Jan. Like 2-3. See that now created. Dynamic values. See that. How to give the input values here. If you want to continue the same command, you should give the slash command, slash here. So what's the slash? It has to execute it, the above same command here. It has to execute it, the above same command. It has to execute it, the above same command here. Let me see that slash command again. 106. Name. What's the name here? Name here. Just see that name also. Some other name. Rexona, Lux also is there. Santur, Mystic Angel, Lifebuoy. Synthar also. Synthar. Otherwise, is there any other product here?
Dove.
Dow. Great. Okay. Price also here. 120. Date of deliverance also here. 6th of Jan. 2-3. Done, guys. In the same way, we can insert multiple records here. See that now. How to get dynamic values. How to give dynamic values. We'll see that command here. What command I have written. Just see that. Let me check that these 2 records now. After inserting dynamic values. Just see that now, guys. Just see that. Select the star form. What's the table name, guys? Product, right? It's a product here. Yes, we are getting that. 105 also we are getting. Rexona, Dow. Just see that. We are getting. Just see that now. Insert command. How many views for inserting the new record here? How many views for inserting new record? Syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3 here. Is there any doubt, guys? See that why we should use DML language? We have to manipulate database objects here. We have to manipulate database objects. Here we are manipulating table. We are through this command, insert command. See that we are manipulating the table. Just see that now here. Syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3. Is there any doubt, guys? In the insert command? Yes or no?
No.
Just come back to here. Insert all. Insert all. See that insert all means it has to communicate more than one table. It has to communicate more than one table. Then it has to insert multiple records here. It has to insert multiple records. It has to communicate more than one table. Let us see that here how many tables here. We are having only one table. We are having only one table here. Let me see that product. Is there any other table? Is there any EMP table here? Let me check the EMP table. Is there any EMP table? Yes, EMP table also is there. EMP table also is there. There are 3 columns here. In the EMP table, see the records now. Records now here. Oh, we are having different records here. Let me delete all records. Delete from EMP. Delete from product here. I want to delete all records from 2 tables. Delete from product also here. Okay, done. Let me see that now, guys. Just we're having 2 tables. We are having 2 tables, EMP table and the product table. See that now? Now, check the 2 tables now. After deleting records, let me check the 2 tables. EMP table, there is no rows here. There is no records. Let me check the product also here. Okay, there is no records. Now we are going to communicate these 2 tables. We want to communicate these 2 tables here. We want to insert records here. We want to communicate these 2 tables. In the same way, you can communicate number of tables here. I'm trying to show only 2 tables, but you guys have to communicate multiple tables here. Not an issue. Same syntax. See that now? We have these 2 tables. We are going to communicate these 2 tables now. We'll see that. Insert all. Just come back now, guys. Here, see that how to communicate 2 tables now. Insert all. Insert all into insert all into EMP values. EMP values 101, EMP ID, employee name, Ravi, employee sal, 19,000. Into product values. Okay, what are the product values? Product ID 1, product name Luxier. Price also 105. Date of deliverance also here. Just see that. We are going to communicate 2 tables now. Date of deliverance, just see that. 2nd of Jan. 2nd of Jan 23. Then here we are going to use dummy object, guys. Select the star from where. Select the star from where. This is a dummy object here. Dummy object is going to insert these 2 records here. It's a dummy object. The object belongs to Oracle database. Just see that how to use insert all command. Let me use the same command, guys. Come back here. Insert all. Same command. Insert all into EMP values. Same EMP values 101. Employee name Ravi or Ravi Kumar something 18,000 into product values into product values. Let me see that product. See that product values now. Product ID 1. Lux also here. Then price also 105. Date of deliverance, just see that. 2nd of Jan. Okay, just see that. 2, 3. Then select the star from where. Now see the 2 rows created. See that, it has to see that. It has to communicate it 2 tables here. See that we are communicating these 2 tables, EMP table and the product table. We are inserting these values. We are inserting these values. Let me check that now. We should go these 2 tables and check that. In the EMP table, let me check that these values. You should go product table and check that these values. Just check that now, guys. We should go select a star from EMP table. Let me check that we are getting that same values 101 Ravi. See that? What values? See that? We are given, just see that. We are getting same values now. Just see that. The same way, let me check that now. Select the start from product also, guys. Just see that we are getting that. Lux also, see that. Price also, just see that. Jan second, just see that now, guys. Just see that we are getting that. We are getting, just see that now, guys. Next one, guys. See that insert all. Just to communicate more than one table, then just to insert multiple reports. Just see the syntax now, guys. Same syntax. I have written same syntax. You guys take it now. This is for insert all. Insert all. Is there any doubt, guys? Insert all. Hi, guys. Now we should go update command. Update here. How to update the given record from database? Just see that now, guys. Update command. Here, directly you can give the static values. Syntax one. Syntax one. Directly, we should use static values here. Update. See that update table name. Product here. Product. Product here. Sector. We want to update P name, product name here. We want to update now. See that. Product name instead of Lux here, we can update it now. We want reset. We want rename. Instead of Lux here, we can do Santur. Okay. Let me update the remaining columns also here. Price also, let me update. Price also, let me take it now. Price. Price also, how much here? Should you 220 rupees. Let me update one more column also here. Date of deliverance also, date of deliverance also we need to update. 4th of Jan. 4th of Jan. Then 2003 here. Just see that. We are going to update these three columns. P name column, price column, and DOD column. DOD column. Let me give the where condition where PID equal. What is the PID? 101. See that 101 here. Semicolon. Directly, I given static values, guys. We know that I given static values. If you run this command, we are going to get Santur. Instead of Lux here, we are going to get Santur. Then price also 220. Date of deliverance also, we are going to get 4th of Jan. See that if you run this command, we are going to get same values, these values. Because I given static values here. I given static values. See that. Let me copy this. Let me copy this now here. Do that. See that now. Oh, something is missing. Oh, PID one, right? Given wrong, one or
Yeah.
one. That is the problem.
Yeah, but should be.
Yeah, one. Just see that now. Let me copy this now. Save. Now see that we are going to get update here. One row updated. One row updated. We are getting that. Let me check that after updating, we are getting updating values. Santur we are getting, 220 we are getting, 4th of Jan we are getting. Just see that. Select it. First of all, I want to clean it. Now let me check the update values. Check the update values here. Should go our table and we are getting update values. We are getting update values. Just see that three columns are getting update values. Santur is getting, 220 is getting, 4th of Jan is getting. Let me come back, guys. We'll see.
Yeah, I have one question. Like, does that PID will be unique value, right?
Here there is no constraints, right? There is no constraints. There is a one concept here, constraint. There is a one concept here, constraints here. There is no PID is unique value, but here we can't consider unique value because there is no primary.
Even we can. My question is like PID is like we can change PID also.
PID, if you change the PID also, how to give the where condition here? It's a condition, right? It's a condition.
No,
only.
my question is like,
Yeah,
mean,
if you want to change it,
like,
but you should go cases here, switch cases. But here you can't change it. True.
so then it's a unique value then.
Oh, it's a unique
Okay.
value. You can consider that unique value. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
consider
okay.
that unique value. You can change it here in the upcoming classes. I'll show that switch case here. You should go variable
Yeah,
switch case. You can change it, not an issue. Okay, let
Yeah,
me come
sure,
back here, guys. These are the static values. Now syntax 2. Let me update the given record here. Here we are having different records here. Suppose let me insert one more record here too. Let me insert one more record, guys. Let me insert one more record. New record here. Let me insert one more record. A few records here. Copy this command. Here, let me insert two also. Name Lux here or something. Price also here 105. Second chart 2, 3. Okay, done, guys. Okay, there are 2 records now. Let me check the table now. There are 2 records here. There are 2 records now. Here more than 1 record. Yeah, there are 2 records. Let me check the table now. There are 2 records here. Something is missing. Select keyword is missing here. Select star from. Or table name product here. Okay, guys. There are 2 records now. We want to update given record here. We want to update given record. We don't know given record. Maybe 1 or 2 here. We don't know given record, but we want to update given record. We want to update the given record here. We should go second syntax here. Just see that second syntax. Update product set name underscore name. Given record means just see that we are going to update given record with given values. We want to update given record with given values, comma, price also, guys. Let me fetching the price also from keyboard, comma, date of deliverance also. Date of deliverance also we are going to get from keyboard, where we don't see the where also PID code. We don't know given record. That means we are going to get from keyboard PID. Just see that now here. We are getting
Yeah, I
dynamic.
have one. Yeah, I'm getting, but I have one more question. Like, you just updated the product, like P name and price and DOD, right? In the place of PID1, but
Okay.
it got added actually. If you go into the what do you call?
Table.
It's showing 2 records. You can see, right?
Yeah, 2 records, but here given record we want to update with given values. Given record we want to update. We don't know given record. We are going to give some record here. Suppose
Yeah, this one I got it. It is syntax one. You said like it should be updated. Updating this.
direct like given static values, right? Direct like given static values. Here we know that output also. First row, first record, PID1 is going to get update here. PID1 is going to get update with these values. But here we can't say, right? We are going to give first or second, we can give second record also.
Yeah, that I got it. But my question is like already Lux was present in
Yes,
in
correct.
the place of Lux. You updated with the Santur. So why it shows 2 rows? That is what my question.
Yeah, that is I want to show the more than 1 row here in this table. That is the reason I was inserted one more record here. It's not updated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what I'm trying to
Okay.
say, I'm what my question is. You see that in the previously we have Lux record here, but
Okay.
here in the second time I'm taking the one more record because here given record means given record we can give any record here. Suppose in the table more than 1 record here. As of now, we are having 2 records. We are having 2 records.
Now I got it.
Yeah, in the 2 records here, you can give any record here. Any record, you can give any record. Any record is going to get update values here. What I'm trying to
But
say here,
actually, okay, I got it. Fine. Yeah, thanks.
yeah, let us see that. No, here, why should I given that second record here? I'm trying to show the more than one record in the table here.
Yeah, got. Actually, my question is like, in the place of Lux, you updated Santur, right? So
That
that
is
is
our
what my
Santur,
question.
that
But
is
you said,
yeah.
yeah. But you said you added one more row, right?
This
Yeah,
is
it's,
for, I want to show the more records in the table here
yeah.
because,
Now I got it.
yeah, I want to just see that, copy this. Copy this here. If you get any complicated, insert one more record, not an issue here. If you insert one more record, then you will get it, not an issue. Okay, insert now, 1 or 3 also, otherwise the third record. Name also here. I'm trying to show more than one record in the table. Like you know that live by also here. Okay, then let me see that price also here. 345. Date of deliverance also here. 7th of Jan. Then 2, 3. Done, guys. Then let me check the records now. Let me check the records now here. Select a star from product table. Now see that we are getting 3 records now. See that I want to show the more than one record here. That is the reason I was inserted these 2 records here. I was inserted
Yeah,
these
got
2
it.
records.
Yeah, I got it. I did not saw that you inserted other, so that's the reason.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I got it.
Okay, fine. Let me see that. Now, you see that we are going to update given record here. We are going to update the given record with the given values. Let me see the command here. Dynamically, we are going to give update values. Dynamically, we are going to give which record you want to update here. Which record you want to update here. Dynamically, we are going to give all values here. Update values we are going to give dynamically as well. Which record you want to update? Dynamically, we are going to give these 2 things here. Let me copy this. Let me copy this now. Just come back here. Okay, let me give that. We want to see that. First of all, it's asking update name. We want to update, like you know that I am going to update a third record here. We'll see that. Okay, instead of live by here, we should give some other name. Mysore Sandal. Mysore Sandal. Okay, price also here 556. Date of deliverance also we want to update 10th of Jan. 10th of Jan 2, 3 here. Next one, guys. We want to update which record here? Third record. We are going to update PID third. We want to update third one. We can update any record here, given record. See that we can update any record, not an issue here. If you want to update first record, you can give the first one. PID equal to 1. If you want second record here, you should give here second. If you want to update third one, you should give the third one. Let me see that we are going to update third record. Already we are having third record values here. Already we are having third record values like by and 345, 7th of Jan. But here we are going to update these values. We are going to update product PNA. We are going to update price. We are going to update date of deliverance also, guys. We'll see that. Let me update now. Update it. See that updated now here. See that now, guys. See that. Let me come back our table. We'll see that after updating the product table. We'll see that. Now see that last one, third record is getting updating values. See that last record, we are getting updating values. These are the before updating live boy here. Before updating, see that values now. Look at these values now before updating. Before updating, look at these values now. Live by 345, 7th of Jan. After updating here, we are getting that Mysore Sandal 556. See that now here. 10th of Jan. Date of deliverance. We are getting update values. Then guys, see that now it's a second syntax now. It's a syntax 1, it's a syntax 2 here. We are going to update given record with the given values. Here dynamically we are going to give updating values as well. Which record you want to update here, can give that. Both here. Both are we are going to give in this command. In this command, we are going to give both here. Now let us see that after update here, after update, delete command here. What is the delete here? I want delete all records from table. See that. How to delete all records from table? Delete from product here. See that it has to delete all records from table. It has to delete. It has to delete all records from table. All records from table. Or see that. Otherwise, I want delete specific record from table here. See that delete. I want delete from EMP or product here, where PID equals 1. I want delete only, see that. This is called, it has delete only product to one record here. See that, it has to delete. It has to delete one record. One record. Just see that now here. The first command, it has to delete one record here. The second command, it has to delete all records here. The third command. What is the third command here? Delete from product where PID equals, let me give the dynamically we are going to give the ID here. Which record you want to delete here? See that it has to delete given record here. It has to delete given record. It has to delete given record. Just see that now, guys. How to delete the records here? How to delete the records from table? There are different commands here. You see that now. Directly, I given static value here. If you run this command, we know that which record is going to delete here? First record. One record is going to delete here. If you run this command, second command here, we know that all records. See that it has to delete all records from table. It has to delete all records from table here. Let us see that now, guys. Third record, third one. What is the third one here? It has to delete given record here. What is the given record? It may be one record, or it may be second record, or it may be third record. We don't know that. Given record means we don't know that. Runtimely, we are going to give that record here. Runtime, we are going to give such kind of record. See that. Let me see that now. First command. Copy this. Come back here. You can see that first of all, see the table now. See that now table now, guys. Done. Let me give the semicolon. See that. First record is deleted here. ID. PID 1 is getting deleted. Let me see that after deleting. Let me check the table now. Let me check the table now, guys. Okay, done. See that now there is no one record. Is there any one record here? There is no one record. There is no one row. Okay, guys, let me see that given record. Given record, how to delete given record here? We don't know. See that here, how many records are there? More than one record here. More than one record. Two records are there. Second row is there. Third row is there. PID 2, PID 3. Let me see that given record. Given record means we don't know that. It may be third or second year. Based on that, user requirement, see that it's asking PID. Which record you want to delete here? Which record you want to delete here? I want to delete the third one. See that now? Third one is going to delete here. See that? The third PID is going to delete here. The third, see that? The third one is getting deleted. Let me check that after deleting here. Let me check that after deleting. Let me check that. Deleted. Now, we had only one record here. We had only one record. Let us see that. Delete all. I want to delete all records here. See that? I want to delete all records. Simple command. Delete from product here. It has to delete all records here. Maybe 10 records, or it may be 20 records, maybe 30 records. See that? We want to delete all records from table. We should go delete from product here. Let me give that same command. See that semicolon. One row is there. That is the reason one row deleted here. If you have 10 records, it's going to delete 10 records here. If you have 20 records, it has to delete 20 records here. If you have 100 records, it has to delete here. See that now delete command. Is there any doubt here, guys? Delete command. Yes or no? Guys,
No.
delete command. Now the last command, merge command, guys. Then merge command. See that merge command, guys? Merge command, it has to apply the code operations here. It has to apply the code operations on the database. Code operations here. Let me see that code operations here. Merge command. Merge command, guys. See that merge command now, guys. There are two tables now. Student 10th table. What about S1, guys? It's the alias name. It's the alias name here. Duplicate name, alternative name for table. It's alias name. See that? There are two tables now. Student 10th table and 20th table. Here S1 is the alias name of student 10th table. S2 is the alias name of student 20th table. Alias name means alternative names. Alternative names here. See that now. How to use the merge command? First of all, you guys check the alias names here. You guys check the alias names. What is alias concept here? Let me check that now. These two tables now. First of all, let us create these two tables now. Let us create these two tables. Just see that now, guys. We should go. Already I was created now. I will show that these two tables. Select the start from. First of all, see that now. How many columns are there? Student 10th table. Student 10th table. Here, how many columns are required? S number, S name, marks here. 20th table also. 20th table. Just see that now, guys. 20th table also, just see that. Let me see that. Here also same columns. Same columns, guys. Just see that same columns. You guys are aware of how to create tables, right? How to create new table. You guys create student 10th table and the 20th table. With these columns, S number column, S name and marks here. Now let us see that how to use a merge command. Let me check these two tables now. Is there any record here in the 10th table? Select to start from student 10th year. How many records are there? Let us see that. How many records are there, guys?
3.
101, 102, 103. Let me check the 20th table. Here also 2 records are there. Let me see that now, guys. Let me delete these 2 records now. I want to delete 10th records and the 20th records here. Let me delete from delete from student 10th all records. In the same way, 20th all records. Now let us see that I was deleted all records here. I was deleted all records from these 2 tables. Just see that. As of now, the table is empty here. 10th table is empty, 20th table is empty. Let me check that now. Let me check that now, guys. See that now, 10th table, no row selected. No row selected. Let me insert now. Let me insert now, guys. Insert into. See that you guys are aware of insert command. Insert into student 10th values. 10th values here 101. Name also Ravi. Marks also here 99. 1 row created. Second row 102. Name 91. 2 rows. In the same way, let me insert 20th values here. 20th values 101. Here run 95. Done, guys. Let me see that these 2 tables now, guys. See that now. In the first table, there are 2 records. In the second table, only 1 record. Let me see that. Let me see that now, guys. Let me come back to our tables. Let me come back to our tables now, guys. 10th table, 2 records. Let us see that now, guys. Yes, see that. In the here, let me check that matching record here. S number matching. Here 101 is matching. Here 101 is matching. This is the matching record here. 102 is not matching because 102 does not exist in the second table. only one matching record here. Only one matching record. 102 is a non-matching. 102 record non-matching here. 101 is the matching record. Let me see that migration merge command. We want to merge command here. We'll see that merge command now. Just see that the merge command, guys. See that now merge command. Merge into. First of all, let us see that what is alias name, guys. Alias name. Let me see the alias name. Let me select S1 dot S number, comma, S1 dot. What is S1 here? It's a alias name of table. It's a alternate name of table here. S name. S1 dot marks also, guys. Marks from student 10th table, alias name S1. Alias name, what I have taken S1, right? Let me see that. See that it's alias name here. S1 is the alias name of table. It's an alternate name of table here. It's an alternate name of table, right? It's alias name. You can put any name here. S1 instead of S1, you can put any name. See that it's alias name of table here. Let me see that alias name here. We are using alias name. Let me see the merge command. See that student 10th table S1 using 20th table S2 here. See that merge into these two tables now. Merge into 10th table and the 20th table here. When the columns are matching, here, these two columns are matching. One record is matching here. One record is matching. The condition is true. If the condition is true here, we need to update here. We need to update table 1. What is the table 1? We need to update table 1 S name and marks here. We need to update table 1 S name and marks here. Otherwise, when the not matching, see that the condition is false. These two columns are non-matching. These two columns are not matching here. Then we are going to insert here table 2 values. Table 2 values we are going to insert into table 1. Table 2 values we are going to insert into table 1 here. Just see that merge command, guys. What I'm trying to do, let me copy this. Come back here. Last command, guys. Then I'll see that last command, merge command. These things are not required. Let me see that now here. I want to correct it now command. It's a see that it's alias names. S1 dot S number. Okay, it's called like let us see that. Here, if you want S1 here, you can give the S1 dot S name, S2 dot S name, S1 dot marks here, S2 dot marks. Done. Here, not matching here, not matching. Just see that now. Not matching here, we are going to get second table values put into table 1. If you want here also, you can give the alias name. S1. If you want alias name, you can give the alias name. S1 meant for table 1. It's a table 1 name. It's a table 1 name, guys. If you want alias name, you can keep it here. Let me copy this now. Same command, guys. We'll see that. Let me copy this merge command. See that when the condition is true, when the record is matching, we are going to get update values. What are the update values here? The second table values we are getting in the first table here. See that we are going to update first table S name. That value belongs to second table here. We are going to update first table marks here. That value belongs to second table here. The condition is false here. The condition is false. We are going to get second table values and insert into first table here. We are going to get second table values and insert into first table here. Let me copy the same command. We'll see that. Is it running or not? Let us see that. Come back. Come back now. We'll see. Something is missing. Update. Not updated. Update here. Or something wrong command here. Okay, guys. It's updated. Update. Not updated, guys. D is not required, guys. Okay. Update only. Yes, guys. Let me copy this one more time. Let me copy this proper command. We'll see. Come back. Come back, guys. Let me clean it now. Let me see that. Last command, guys. Yeah, see that merge here. One row is merged here. Matching row is merged here. Matching row is the merged here. Let us see that one row is merged here. Let me see that. Select the star from table 1. What is the table 1? 10th table here. See that here? Merged here. What is the merging values? We are getting merging values or not? See that here? Here, what record I given, guys? These are the updating values or not? See that now? Matching 101 matching here. Oh, yes, you are, see that? Kiran is getting 101. Kiran, 95 here. See that? These values we are getting here. In the second table, values we are getting in the matching record in the first table here. Yes or no? Guys, getting or not getting? Merge command. The first record is matching, right? Table 1 record is matching here. It's a matching, right? Here, what is the actual value here? Ravi. Ravi, some value are given here. Some marks are given. 99 marks are given here. See that in the first table, what is the first record here? Ravi, and the 99 marks are given. But here, the condition is true here. The condition is true here. See that it's going to update here. It's going to update. What is the update here? Second table values. See that with the second table values, you are going to update in the first table here. See that S name, first table S name is going to get update value from second table. First table marks here is going to get value from second table. See that now we are getting that these two updating values because the record is matching. The record is matching here. Is there any doubt, guys? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Second record is not matching. Second record, there is no second record in the second table here. Is there any doubt in the merge command? Guys? See that now, guys. Only 101 is matching. 101 is getting update values from second table here. These two values belongs to second table. Kiran and 95. Second record is not matching here. Second record is not available in the second table. It won't check that because the second record is not available in the second table here. Suppose second record is available in the second table. Let me see that. Suppose enter second record in the second table here. Insert command. Insert command. Insert into student values. That means that second record you are not for name, something name. What's the name here? Product name. Live boy. No. What's the name? Student name. Punika. Marks also 35 marks. Okay, guys. Let me check that now one more time. Or let me check that two records now, two tables now. Student 10th table, 20th table. Two records is there. Here matching record 101. Not matching record 102 here. See that now, guys. In the first table, two records. In the second table, two records here. Let me see that merge command here. Merge command. See that now in the second table. In the first table also, let me update these two values now. Let me update these two values. Update. I don't want same values. Let me update now. Update. Student here. Student. 10th year. Let me see that. Yes name. Yes name equal Ravi. Let me use the actual record here. Ravi. Next one, marks also, let me change it. Marks also here. 45. Set here. Set keyword is missing. Okay, done, guys. Okay, condition not given, right? Two rows updated. I think maybe. where 101, where s name equal 101. Okay, in the same way, 102 also. Let me update now. Suma, same record we can click Suma. Marks also 91. Done, guys. Let me check the two tables now. Records here, different records are given. Let me check the two tables now, guys. See that now. You want to identify the two tables now. First of all, different records are there. Ravi is there, now 45 marks. Suma is there. You should remember that records now. You should remember that records here. Otherwise, you can note it here. Just see that now. Now let me use a merge command. In the two tables, one record is the matching, 101 is the matching. One record is the matching here. The second record is not matching. 102 is the non-matching here. See that? 101 is the matching, 102 is the non-matching. The record is matching, we are going to get update values. These two are updating. These two values belongs to second table here. See that? These two values are updating here. These two values belongs to second table. Second table, these values we are getting in the first table. Suppose record is not matching here. Record is not matching. We are going to insert this record into first table here. We are going to insert into the same record into first table here. First table. Let me see that when the record is not matching. When the record is not matching, first record is the matching here. We are going to get these are the update values in the first table. First table is going to get these two values, update values. The second record is not matching here. In this case, this record is going to insert into first table here. This record is going to insert into first table here. Let me see that same record, merge command here. Same merge command we are using. See that? Same command I have written. See that now? See that now here. When the record is matching, then update here. Just to get update values, these two columns. Table 1 columns, these two columns. S name column, S marks column. These two values belong to second table here. Where is update values? Where is update values, guys? These two values belong to second table. Otherwise, you can give the whole static value, not an issue here. If you want to give the whole static value, you can give the whole static value here. Here, you can give the whole static value. Within the single quotes, you can give the whole static value, not an issue here. See that now, guys. What I'm trying to say here. See that. If you want to static value, you can give the static value directly here. Otherwise, you should use second table values, not an issue here. See that now. If the record is matching, 101 is the matching, right? See that? S number 101 is matching here. In the both tables, this record is matching. 101 is the matching. Here 101 is matching. Here 101 is matching. In this case, the first table is going to get update here. S name column, S marks column is going to get update values. Where is the update values? Update values belongs to second table here. Update values belongs to second table. Just see that same command. Is there any doubt here in this command? Is there any doubt in this command?
No.
Guys, in the same way, the second record is not matching here. The second record is not matching, right? In this case here, this record is going to insert into first table here. This record is going to insert into first table. Because the second record is not matching here. See that? The second record is not matching, right? Just see that. Then not matching here. If any record is not matching, you have to insert here. Where is the insert values? The second table values. The second table values is going to insert into first table here. The second table, current record. The second table, current record is going to insert into first table here. Otherwise, directly you can insert the values here, not an issue here. You can insert the values, here static values. If you want static values, see that. These values belong to second table here. S number, second table, S name, second table. See that. Second table values, you are going to insert into first table. Because the second condition is false here. Because the second record is not matching. The second record is not matching. See that. This is not matching here. This is not matching. In this case, it goes to second case. It has to insert first table values. first table values. Where is the first table values? These values belongs to second table here. These values belongs to second table. Let me copy the same command. We are going to get two operations now. We are going to get two operations here. Let me see that. We are going to get two operations. Just see that two rows are merged here. First row is matching, is getting update values. Second row is not matching, is getting inserting. Is getting one more row. Just see that now. Let me check that. Select the start from student 10th table. It's a first table here. It's a table one. See that now here. Update values we are getting. See that the output we are seeing in the first table only. Output we are seeing in the first table. What is the first table? 10th table only. See that we are getting update values. What is the actual values here? Ravi 45. After updating, because 101 is matching here. 101 is matching, then is getting update values from second table. The second record is not matching here. The second record is not matching here. That is the reason it has to insert a new record into first table here. The second table, see that second record is not matching. The second record is not matching. That is the reason. Here, see that we are inserting new row. These values belongs to second table here. See that. These values belongs to second table. See that we are seeing the output in the first table. See the command here, merge command. Is there any doubt in this command, guys? See that I given two conditions only. I given two conditions. When the record is matching here, see that I have written update command. When the record is not matching, I have written insert command here. Two conditions I given here. You can give multiple conditions here, not an issue here. You can give one more condition also. Delete command. But here I given only two conditions. When the record is matching, update here. Not matching, insert here. Is there any doubt, guys, in this command? See that first record is matching, is getting update values. Second record is not matching. That is the reason the first table is getting new record here. The first table is getting new record because the second record is not matching here. The second record is not matching. We are going to insert new record. That values belongs to second table here. That values belongs to second table. Yes or no, guys? Is there any doubt? Yes.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys. In tomorrow's class, we'll see that. Tomorrow, anyway, tomorrow's class, I'll try to complete these commands. Grant and revoke under TCL. I'll try to finish that. These two modules. Then directly we should go Python here. Directly we should go Python. We'll start Python here. How to install the Python? Okay. What about? Okay, data types here. What are the data types? What is the data type? Why we should use data type? Directly, first of all, we should go these two modules. We'll discuss that. Grant and revoke. Then what about commit, rollback, and save point. Then directly we should go here. Python setup here. How to install the Python? What about Python exactly? Why we should use Python? Why we should use Python in the real-time projects? In the real-time projects, why we should use Python? How to install that? What are the data types here? Okay, first of all, see that now, guys. In today's class, is there any doubt here? In today's class? Yes, guys. See that merge command, little bit complicated here. You have to do practice here, you will get it. You have to do practice, you will get it here. It's a little bit complicated, I know that. You can take the pick here. You have to do Play Store. You have to do more practice, you will get it here. If you do more practice, you will get it. Okay, guys, thanks for support here. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.